You know what this thing called? A magic Rubik's Cube. But do you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube? When I saw my friends playing with this thing, I bought one for me. I tried and tried, but I failed again and again. Until I saw a simple yet meaningful tutorial for it on YouTube. You know, there exist 43 quintillion possible combinations just to scramble this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. But can you imagine the time when there was no YouTube tutorial, no books, and no one to tell you how to solve it? Because you invented it. So this is the incredible story of this crazy yet cool invention. How the inventor himself cracked the code to solve it and how it became the best selling toy of all time. If 100 people are watching this video, then 60 of you definitely had a Rubik's Cube at some point of your life. And only 3 of you can actually solve it. Wow. And out of those 3, 1 is actually me. Thank you. So कहानी की शुरुआत होती है 1974 हंगरी में. So as I mentioned earlier, can you imagine the time when there was no one to solve it because you invented it, but you didn't. This guy did. This guy name is Arno Rubik and he invented this famous Rubik's Cube. Arno Rubik was a great professor. वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स को आर्किटेक्चर, डिजाइन, स्पेस एंड 3D टेक्नोलॉजीज के बारे में पढ़ाते थे. So एक दिन अपने स्टूडेंट्स को स्पेस एंड 3 डायमेंशन एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए उन्होंने एक वुडन क्यूब बनाया, which was something like this. उन्होंने कभी अपने क्यूब को एज अ टॉय ट्रीट नहीं किया था. It was a piece of art and same time an intellectual task for him. So someday he decided to put on different colors on different sides of this cube and continue teaching his students. In between he noticed कि यार जितनी आसानी से क्यूब को स्क्रैम्बल कर दिया था, उतनी ही आसानी से इसको सॉल्व करना पॉसिबल नहीं था. At that point he realized कि अब इसको सॉल्व करना उनकी जरूरत है. Not because कि उन्हें अपने स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाना है, just because कि उन्हें वर्ल्ड को प्रूव करना है that it is possible to solve this magic cube. Yes, magic cube. This was the name given by Arno Rubik himself to this incredible invention. But people gave it another name like My Cube or Rubik's Cube, and at that Arno Rubik said कि मैं अपनी ही बनाई चीज को अपना नाम क्यों देना चाहूँगा? कितना अजीब लगेगा कि कोई चीज मैंने बनाई है तो उसे अपना ही नाम दे दिया. वेल आगे चलकर उन्होंने अपने बच्चे का नाम अपने ही नाम पर रखा था एंड क्यूब का नाम भी. I don't know.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
अर्नो रूबिक के लिए वो क्यूब एक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक था. वो हमेशा से उसके फॉर्मेशंस, उसके लॉजिक एंड उसके अलग-अलग पैटर्न्स ढूंढते रहते थे.
Wake up their creativity, reminding their childhood. Complex things, if we don't understand them, it seems complicated. If you understand them and we know how to handle it, it became simple.
उन्हें फाइनली 1 महीने बाद क्यूब को सॉल्व करने की टैक्टिक्स पता चली. And he finally made it. He solved the magic Rubik's Cube. And then he started making some cubes and selling them. And it was the start of a new trend. Did you know कि आज तक 50 करोड़ से ज़्यादा Rubik's Cube officially बिक चुके हैं? And obviously not including those from देव छठा मेला and roadside बुध बाजार. चाइना ने सेम क्यूब्स नॉकऑफ्स नेम से रिलीज करनी शुरू करी. 1982 में दुनिया में पहली बार बुदापेस्ट हंगरी में रूबिक्स क्यूब को सॉल्व करने के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट हुआ. एंड उस टाइम रूबिक्स क्यूब को सॉल्व करने का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड था 22.9 सेकंड्स, जो अब एक्चुअली 3.4 सेकंड्स का है. Here's the cube, solve it. Okay, so let me start solving it. Hands out. What the fuck? कुछ लोग और बड़ी-बड़ी कंपनीज अलग-अलग तरह से क्यूब्स की इन्वेंशन कर रहे थे. लाइक दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा क्यूब, सबसे छोटा क्यूब, सबसे महंगा क्यूब, सबसे ज्यादा लेयर्स वाला क्यूब, सबसे कम लेयर्स वाला क्यूब. And then because of all this craze, its production and its sales started touching skies. In 1980, Idol Toy Company and toy marketer Tom Kramer ने finally Rubik's Cube को मार्केट में ऑफिशियली लॉन्च किया था. But everyone was so confused कि यार कोई भी कोई ऐसी चीज क्यों खरीदेगा जो उसको सॉल्व करनी तक नहीं आती. But no one had any idea कि फ्यूचर उनके लिए क्या सोचकर बैठा था. The best thing about the sales of a Rubik's Cube was its marketing and advertisements. Companies hardly Cube पर अपना नाम लिखती थी, but उन्होंने ad campaigns, movies, even TV shows के through Cube की value बहुत बढ़ा दी थी. It became a symbol to look cool and to look incredibly intelligent person. Even आज भी अगर आप किसी को Cube solve करते हुए देखेंगे, it doesn't matter वो कुछ भी करे. You will eventually think कि यार कितना स्मार्ट बंदा Rubik's Cube सॉल्व कर लेता है यार. Rubik's Cube को बड़े बड़े इंटरनेशनल प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड एग्जीबिशंस में एंट्री मिलने लगी थी. दुनिया भर में इसके हजारों कॉम्पिटिशंस ऑर्गेनाइज होने लगे थे. And then it became something compulsory to have, whether for understanding its patterns or whether to put it as a showpiece. Even I have it as a showpiece. Psych! So this was pretty much all about the Rubik's Cube. And yes, as I said earlier, अन्नो रूबिक के लिए ये क्यूब सिर्फ एक टॉय नहीं था. It was a reminder for him to never give up. It was a reminder that yes, maybe present is not on your side right now, but who knows, future will or may bring you something great that no one has ever dreamed of.
There is always a way for a solution. There's always a way to find something else, something new, something different, or find the result of your work. If today is not everything is good, it doesn't mean tomorrow cannot be better. Depends on you.
So I hope you like this video, and if you do, then don't hesitate to share this video with your friends, with your families, or whoever you want. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down your feedback or your stories with this cube or whatever you want. Just comment down to let algorithm of YouTube know that this wonderful channel actually exists. That was all for today. We'll definitely see you next. Till then, try making this cube.